Hello, very good evening. Myself Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services, Bangalore. It's a very pleasant moment for us. Again, we are in a position of departure for our student, Mr. Abhishek from Maharashtra, and he is going to study veterinary from the Zoo Veterinary Academy, Kharkiv. It's one of the renowned and one of the best university. In this discussion of short interview, we'll try to understand how they are satisfied with the services of ITCS, how they have taken a decision to go with ITCS. We'll speak with his father, Mr. Suhas sir, and Mr. Abhishek, going for the study today. Hello sir, very good evening. Sir, basically we are connected from the past 3 months. From the month of January, I think first discussions we have did for your admissions and all. So sir, how you have taken a decision to go with ITCS?
ITCS, one of his friends last year has gone through you.
Okay.
And then he also commented on he had a good experience, no issues at all. Everything went on quite smoothly.
Mm-hmm.
And that is the same course what he also wants to go to.
Okay.
And that is why we selected ITCS.
Okay.
And till now also, whatever 2-3 months, whatever interactions we have been having, whatever cooperation, whatever support we required, whatever clarifications, doubts, everything.
So many mails, queries,
Yes.
everything,
So many mails, phones, very small, maybe silly things, whatever.
Yes,
But then we don't know anything about that.
Yes.
So I was calling you, I was sending mails, you were replying quite well on that and clarifying all the doubts, everything.
And sir, is everything happen on time? What we have decided on the plans and all, like visa, flight tickets, all.
Visa only took a little more time.
Yes, generally you can visa takes time. Generally you can visa bit takes time. But yes, although we are in a position that we are going before starting the classes and all. Okay. And sir, basically you are from Maharashtra.
Yeah.
I'm from Bangalore now. I'm coming. So would you find any difficulties to get the services and all with anything and all? So
Actually, services and all, because your responses were very good. Maybe when I call you, when I send you anything on WhatsApp, when I send you anything on mail, your responses were quite okay. I am very much satisfied with the responses that you have given.
thank you, sir. And this is the actual my earning, and based on that only, actually, we also want.
Nobody knows anything about that, the course, the country, whatever anything. So there are hundreds of doubts in the mind.
Yes, sir.
But you have clarified everything.
Thank you. And Abhishek, I would just like to know through you, what makes attracted you to go for this veterinary education?
In India, there's no scope for veterinary. People are not aware. Some people don't even know that such a course exists. So I want to.
Veterinary, I'll interrupt you. See, the reservation system in India is such a hopeless system.
Yes.
And that is why in the open category, whoever get reasonably good marks,
Mhm.
they also really get frustrated if they don't get admissions. Less than 50% of the marks what they are getting, also the people are getting admission.
Yes.
This reservation system has to end. Otherwise, it is really a very hopeless system.
Okay. And especially the veterinary education, what you have selected. What's your goal actually?
I actually like animals a lot, and I want to help them in whichever way possible. So I think this is the best way to help them.
Okay. I would like to add one point about that. See, you are going for a university, it's a very oldest university. And from there you have lots of opportunity and you can build your career into the European Union. So that opportunity you have to utilize.
Yes.
Being a consultant, being a parent, we can provide you the opportunity. But all the work, ultimately, you need to do only. Okay. So Abhishek, this file consists of your all the original documents, all the requirements, things which you needed, basically for the immigration part and for your future requirements and all. Okay. And it's a best wishes from our side, and wish you all the best to become a successful veterinarian into this domain. And thanks sir for giving the opportunity for yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.